What's going on, guys? My name is Jack and today we are doing a try not to laugh. I wonder what it's going to be like. So let's just see. Give up. I don't really know what to say to that, I feel. I'm just freaked out now. What's this? Oh my god. I'm so happy. Anyway. So this is just testing out a new app. Oh, I watch this. I don't know what this is weird. I'm making a YouTube video, Max. Say hi. Try not to laugh. Say hi.
Hi.
So try not to laugh, Max. So I guess my brother's joining me. It's been a bit funny. My brother's got a grin, so do I. If I could fly. Do 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 do.
How's that funny?
Max, do you even know what that bearded guy was? Gmod.
How's that
Oh, my
funny?
ding ding dong. Be quiet. Right. You're a man.
How's that funny?
Shh. That's a bit racist. I'm not swearing.
Did you do that?
No. I'm recording it now. I'm just gonna have some orange juice while we wait. It's your birthday. I'm a scam. Oh no. Look, Max. Oh, it's amazing what we can do this. This is 2015.
How's that funny?
I don't know.
Bye.
Okay, bye, Max. See ya. Alright, so my brother's hand up. Who's next to have enough? Ooh. Sorry for that, lads. Yeah, go away. Like, it has a promotion every couple seconds, this app. But yeah. I wish you guys could see my face right now. I need to get a face cam for the iPad. Oh my god, it's so smart. I wish iPad did a webcam. Or a face cam, what am I on about, whatever. So this is it. Okay, I think that's it. There's always a twist in the end though. Oh, it is. Go on, go off. Right. Guys, that's going to end this episode here. If you guys like this, we will... Oh! I just farted. Pardon me. I think that's the right word for it, whatever. Guys, subscribe, comment, like, tell me if you want more. So guys, see you in the next video. Peace.